Hello everyone, and welcome to our first lecture overview of CS106B programming abstractions. And today we will go over a high-level overview of what was covered in the first lecture, and we will take it from there. So programming abstractions will cover a little bit more advanced programming techniques, and to this end it assumes that the students have the fundamentals of programming nailed down, whether that is in Java or Python or maybe C, but this course that we're following assumes that the student has completed 106A, which is in Java. That said, there was just some high-level course logistics, and we won't have to deal with that here, but the main topics that B covers will be things such as recursion, algorithms such as the search and hash tables, using dynamic data structures such as lists, trees, and heaps that would leverage the use of pointers. Next topic will be data abstraction, namely stacks, queues, and maps. And these will be key to solving more complex problems, and especially as the programs grow. One thing to note though is that it was made very clear that this course is not a C++ course, or although it's used as a vehicle, it's not meant to be a C++ course. And next is the philosophy of the course, and it really resonated with me. One of their main sticking points is that all students are welcome, and they really want to build a solid foundation in programming, as well as they want to ensure that they're building the engineers, right, who write quality code that is both true and beautiful. The recommended course load was between 15 to 20 hours a week. Since I'm not following that standard student path, we'll see how this works out for me. Next, the Stanford library is used heavily throughout CS106B. Again, we'll see how far we could get into this, but there is a CS106L, which is focused on learning C++ and learning how to implement some of the Stanford libraries that are used in CS106B. So we may leverage that to move forward in the course, but we shall see. And for now, thanks for joining, and I think I'll leave it here. Again, lecture 1 is just like any other first lecture, just high level overview of the course and roadmap, and then no real coding or anything like that, but I think we will start digging into that in lecture 2 and beyond. So with that, thanks for watching.